Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing, and this time real unboxing. So I can have the box in front of me and got the plastic. And this is basically my first reaction. I saw this watch online on an auction, and after the whole Patek craze with the square watches, I thought getting a TV square watch is not a bad idea. Let me get this away. And here we have the Otaka date from 1970. And wine movement, almost NOS, new old stock, as you can see, hardly worn, new old stock. And as you can hear the strap, the wind. So this Otaka, some people call it Oyaka, but I just researched and it's Otaka. And this Otaka is a part of the Weiss and Co. Watch company, which goes well, changes the date, and they are from La Chaux de Fonds in Switzerland, so it's a Swiss watch. So let me get the dimensions on the watch. It is a 36 millimeters in diameter, lug to lug 41, thickness 11, with a very polished look. Try to get something to clean. Here we go. Really nice gray dial, embossed leather strap, new leather strap, and here on the back, water resistant. I wouldn't take it swimming or hand washing. Swiss made, as you can see, and we have here the boat, and anti-magnetic with the reference number of the watch. So on my wrist, I'm still enjoying the Casio. On my wrist, it would look something like this. It's actually not bad at all looking on my wrist, I have to say. From the side, I have a 17 centimeter wrist, and I think it goes quite well on my wrist. Yeah, if you do like this kind of content, be sure to leave a like, and if you do like this watch, leave a comment in the description. We can get in contact. Don't think I will be keeping it. I just got it because I really liked how it looked. Maybe I'll do some photos for it, and then put it on chrono and sell it, because I don't think I'm going to wear it. I'm not sure also it will fit on my daily routine that I'm trying to do, because I don't know. I'm not a big fan actually of the TV. Now when I get it and put it on my arm, my wrist, I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Do you think I should keep it or not? So I'll stop the video here, and yeah. If I make a review video of this watch, that means I kept it. If not, that means I sold it. So be sure to check out the channel. And if you do like this kind of videos, be sure to subscribe. It does help the channel a lot. And hopefully see you in the next one. Here is the button to subscribe, and on the right and on the left you might find videos that you might enjoy as well. See you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.